This demonstration will show the actions necessary to safely stop a 1-inch street tee. Using the Mazco Safe-T-Stopper, I will remove a plug from a 1-inch street tee. Start with placing the seal over the upper flange of the street tee. Next, mount the appropriately sized reducer ring. Place the plug housing onto the sizing ring. Install the lockdown over-center restraining device to the plug housing and loop the restraining strap under the main line. Thread the isolation valve onto the plug housing. Attach the square plug removal tool onto the isolation valve. Close the bleeder valve on the isolation valve. Lower plug removal adapter tool onto the plug and engage the square plug. Rotate the tool counterclockwise to remove the plug from the top of the street tee. Slowly raise the plug removal tool until completely up and out of the valve. Close the isolation valve and open the bleeder valve until the pressure is completely released. Remove the plug removal adapter tool. The plug has now been removed. Before placing the expander plug into the service tee, first place the expander plug into the expander tool and place the tool alongside the tee and slide the marking indicator down the shaft. This will mark the depth of where you wish to place the plug. The plug can be placed in the tee throat, below the tee, or in the main. Thread the expandable plug tool onto the top of the isolation valve. Close the bleeder valve. Open the isolation valve and lower the expandable plug down into the service tee to the pre-measured depth. Turn the expandable plug tool handle clockwise while holding the tool shaft until tight. This will expand the plug below the branch and above the main pipeline. The plug is now in place. Bleed the service line down in a safe location. Confirm the bleed off by opening the bleeder valve. Disengage the expander tool from the plug and raise the tool shaft. If the safety stopper must be left unattended, place the lockout plug into the top of the isolation valve. Remove the safety stopper tool. This entire process takes generally 10 to 15 minutes from the start to the removal of the tool. Remove the threaded street tee from the threaded coupling and replace with a threaded plug.